goodbye, remember me. Don't let it make you cry. For even if I'm far away, I hold you in my heart. I sing a secret song to you each night we are. Yo, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another banger video.
Today,
we're at Sights and Sounds.
we're not there yet. We're walking.
Well, we're walking to Sights and Sounds.
Yeah. Okay, so we're like waiting in line for tickets right now. Well, we're not really. We're waiting for my mother because she's getting us free.
Yeah, she's getting us free.
I'm basically taking over your YouTube channel. Okay guys, so subscribe to me. I don't actually have a YouTube channel, but you can, my Cash App is Jack_Garrett4. Please Cash App me. Please Venmo me. Please Apple Pay me. Look how pretty the sky
I
is.
want to take a picture of it, not with you in it.
Bye. Fun.
Go.
3, 2, 1, go. I had already started it.
Here's Jack.
This is me.
After this ride, he's literally gonna pass out.
I think I'm like fine. I'm not dizzy. I'm just dazed and confused.
I love that movie.
Go.
Oh no! Jack. Oh yeah, I remember they had candles. But anyways, we just got free hot chocolate.
We just got free hot chocolate.
And I literally got the best
what do we
freaking
tweet?
biscuits on earth.
Biscuit.
What do we get me another one right
Biscuit,
now?
no alcohol beverages.
Yeah.
Special. We're entering Jerusalem.
Did I ever tell you that Silas was
That's
Jesus?
Jesus.
Did I ever tell you that?
Yeah. Last year they didn't have a real one. It was a doll. And
Oh,
I
yeah.
shook it.
Yo.
We're about to get on another ride. Misa made a candle.
I made a candle for Ro.
My God, my
Hello?
mother's yelling at us. We're about to go.
We've been
Let's
about to go.
This is us before the ride. We'll come back right afterwards.
Let's go. What's
Guys.
up, everyone?
We have something to tell you. We forgot to record ourselves after that ride. But Issa's about to go on the Ring of Fire, and I am going to record her.
Yeah.
Santa baby, hurry down the chimney tonight for me. Buddy, yada. Wait, can I show you all my Dua Lipa skills? We should go.
Okay, so
we came up with the genius idea of
staying the night at Sights and Sounds
Sounds.
challenge.
So we gotta find a place to hide though. It's real. His pretty little souped up four-wheel drive. Called my name into his leather seat.
I took a Louisville sugar to both headlights. Smashed the hole in all four tires. Maybe next time think before you shoot.
Okay, so we need to find a place to hide, but it's really packed right now. So we're gonna enjoy our time here, and then we'll see y'all soon. Suit of armor, strong and true. Make this little buster move. Ah!
You
Okay,
heard my
guys.
shot.
She's about to go on the ride again. I'm gonna be sitting here with the vlogger, and yeah, y'all are gonna have fun with me, and she's gonna go kill herself. So yeah.
Alright, we back in the biscuit
Big
line
line.
because we fed
We-
Issa's hill.
That's
Yeah.
anyways.
But we're gonna see if it works.
We're gonna see if it works, yeah. Hopefully we can redeem our free biscuits twice. But if we can't, then we'll kill ourselves. Or
Yeah.
we might just load money onto a card and buy something else.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we're fat. Fatty. 500 pound hog.
Okay, bye. Okay, we got our biscuits.
We got our biscuits, it worked.
We got our lobster biscuits.
Yummy, yummy.
Yeah.
Nope, that's different. Lobster biscuits.
We be on the bumper cars.
We're in bumper cars. This is going down.
No, Jack's going down. This is Jack. He's all the way over there. He's hidden.
Hey guys, we're back at the bumper cars.
We big.
I'm about to drive to this town out of stuff.
Okay, this is Jack.
We're in the honky tonk.
We're in the honky
Don't fall.
tonk. Stop. Oh.
She's really scared, but that's okay. What? Okay. Oh Lord. Guys, we are approaching danger. Let's see how Issa does. Issa's struggling right now, but I believe in her. You can do it, Issa. You can do it. You can do it. Come on, Kendall. Come on, Kylie. You're doing great, honey. Whoa, whoa. Guys, that was really intense. Issa's used to doing this motion. Now we're headed upstairs. Whoa! Oh my goodness! Guys, that was really intense. Okay, so I don't know. Whoa! I don't know what this one is. This one looks intense. Oh yeah, it was just a dip. Oh my god. Guys, this is really scary. Okay, we're back here. Headed downstairs.
No, I can't.
It's okay. She has a fear of one of the things down here. But today, we're facing our fears. No handstands in barrel. Oh god. Okay, just turn this on.
Okay, we got
Mac and
$9
cheese.
track and cheese. Track
This
and
is
cheese.
literally like a mukbang.
Track and cheese. Okay, let's try it. We're fatties.
It's pretty nice.